Morning and welcome to Mike's Locost build number 8. So on this week's agenda we will get a fuel tank in finally, where it belonged to, weld it on. Also still need to weld or find a place for the bracket for the spare wheel. I've received finally the material to finish off the side panels here, those ones, which I have to cut out, as well as these arches or whatever you call it. So yeah, that's on for this time. Let's see how far we come later. Also, a friend of mine will come down, a work colleague actually, to have a test seat in this nice Formula V, which is required. We need to make a little video for the Motorsport Authority, because they want to see if he can get out in full gear within 10 seconds. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So just to show you the differences, I ordered here these plates for the Locost, which goes on the side, from the later Haynes Roadster from Chris Gibbs. I haven't expected actually that they fit, but I thought it comes pretty close. Just to show you some differences between both chassis. So yeah, it fits with a lower angle, that fits. However, the part is much longer. So what I will do, probably, I will still use it. I would just do my own bow then, or whatever you call it, arch, whatever you call it, and then later on cut this plate to size how I need it. Shouldn't be a big problem or big issue. At least it shows me, because I couldn't find anything in the book where it should finish. Yeah, should it finish here or should it finish there? So it gives me a rough idea. Yeah, also on Tuesday next week I get my prop shaft done finally, so let's see how it goes. I've bent these two stripes with the help of an old gas bottle, very helpful. So seeing that, actually that looks okay. Possibly I need to cut off a little bit here and there, but in general that's exactly how I want it. Both are basically equal, perhaps a little bit bending on the back, but in general they look good. So that's just a quick one with the prop shaft in place. There should be enough clearance, hopefully on the side as well, but it looks okay, looks good. Obviously what many of you will recognize, whichever live axle, the diff is not sitting in the middle, so the prop shaft has to compensate and will sit in a slight angle. Obviously the diff tunnel here, that's a critical point, but I measured it and I just have enough clearance. So it was planned actually to be a 1 week or 1 weekend report, turned out to be a 2 weeks report. Haven't got done last week much, so a friend was here to have a little bit of a test seat in the race car, and yeah, so I've got my prop shaft back from Folk Speed now with the right adapter and ready to go now, finally. Side panels, fuel tank in. I started to put a scuttle in to see roughly where the steering column goes, because those bracket or those mount will be the next one probably. So I got some more work done. I also fitted, or mock fitted for the first time, the bodywork to see where it goes. Actually, it's just to give you some extra motivation to see how it's done. I've also fitted shock absorbers. It's just a mock fit at the moment. I'm a bit concerned about the bodywork line up there, a little bit over here and over there. I'm not sure if that gives me some trouble with the IVA. Same as here, we might have some sharp edges here, which gives me a little bit of things to think. Same over there as well. I need to cut out probably a little bit to fit the bolt. On a good note, however, I've got a heater from Caterham, original Caterham heater. I hope it works. I haven't tested it yet. It also comes with a heater valve, which is quite good, and I got my brake lines. Brake lines coming from Westfield, original Westfield brake lines, so can't get wrong with these. So let's see what the progress will be next week. Follow my channel, subscribe my channel, and see you next week. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.